He's both privately and professionally on the top level, from motivational speaking to orthodontics. And it is my big honor and big pleasure to present Dr. Iván Malagón with a topic, Mastering Complexity Through Simplification. 5 keys to accuracy in digital treatment planning. Ladies and gentlemen, Iván Malagón.
Thank you so much.
Hermano.
Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much. I'm full of love now. So in the next 60 minutes, I hope you open your eyes, you free your mind, because I'll try to get your brain for mine. Okay, I'll try to show what I'm doing. I'm dividing this small conference in different keys. Keys because I have discovered in the last 20 years, I'm working using aligners, that we can make protocols. We can create like cooking recipes for people to take advantage of it. And this is beautiful because, of course, I want to make the best of your time. This is a current situation. This is our patient now. We are going to treat it in the next 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So we have this situation with a palatal bar by another partner of us, waiting for I don't know what, during 3 years. Okay, let's come next month, clink, come next month, clink, you know? And by the incisors with this negative torque. So we have to open the space. We have to open the space, taking advantage of the reciprocal movements. We need to understand that this is physics. And we need to understand that orthodontics is mathematics. If you understand that ortho is mathematics, you can reproduce it very easily. It's a matter of proportions. It's a matter of getting balanced. And we are nature. If you're nature, don't try to go out of the nature because nature will hit you. This is how the patient is biting. We have a huge curve of space. And we have to solve it, of course. We have to solve it because it's a huge step. How we're going to solve it? We have to procline incisors till 90, 92 degrees. We procline incisors, and we have to look for the reciprocal movement. Which one is the reciprocal movement? We have to distalize molars. So proclination and distalization of molars. How? Because how to get this predictability? We have to procline incisors, and same time we have to intrude. What is the Newton's third law? Is we are expecting a reaction. If we allow the molars reacting, we will not lose anchorage. So, this is the space we need for the lower canines. Of course, this is the initial OPG with that thing. I cannot remember even the name because it's for me like prehistoric. Then we find, of course, we cannot find parallelism of roots. You see the torque is negative. We have this first picture, and we have here the evolution. After 28 spark aligners, we have this situation. In the middle, we have this situation, and after 18 more aligners, we have this situation. It's not finished, but it's almost finished. We see here in this first approver, for Invisalign, it's called clean check. For spark aligners, it's called approver. This is starting point. I'm finished. When I'm finished, today is that way. After creating a space for everything, this is the profile, how we improved the support, of course, of lower lip and this angle between lower lip and the chin. This some highlights if you want to understand. This is important to take care. The Newton's third law, the principle action reaction, proclination, same time of distalization. The initial torque is very important because, of course, this is very predictable since it's proclination of the crown. It's buccal crown proclination.